Integrity is one of the most important qualities of a person. Once violated, it's no longer possible to restore it. Integrity, like a broken vase, cannot be glued back. Cracks will always be visible in the light. Three things, money, sex, and power, have ruined the lives of many famous people throughout history. If handled correctly, they will only beautify life. But if mishandled, these things destroy like a poison. This poison destroys careers and families, robs people of their personal potential. The question is not whether you will encounter these temptations on your path in life. It will surely happen. Only when? Greed makes moral boundaries more flexible, if not erases them altogether. Because of greed, people begin to lie, cheat, steal, but nothing can separate them. You can continue to think that this will not affect you, but remember, greed overtakes you quietly, slowly, without warning. Money itself is not a bad thing. After all, money is an integral part of our life. This is how it works. Many people say that money is evil, but it is not. The love of money is what gives rise to problems. We fall into the trap when we begin to define ourselves through what we have. It seems to us that this is the source of our happiness. There will always be someone who is richer, who has a bigger house, a newer car. We convince ourselves that if we had some part of all these things, we would be happier, and this internal race would finally end. Nothing like this. Even if you find the house of your dream, after a while someone will settle in the neighborhood who will build such a palace that the royal family themselves will envy, and you will need something else again. You will soon find that it's not you who own the money, but that money owns you. We often strive to gain as much as possible, driven by greed. But in the end, because of it, we lose more than we wanted to gain. Money is powerful. They are so attracted to people that they can destroy both their personality and their lives. It's useful to look at yourself from the outside. Your family and your friends will help you with this. Ask your loved ones if they notice that your attitude towards money has changed. This may not be the nicest question to ask, but it is much better to spot the problem early, step over pride and solve it, because it's harder to deal with later. The best antidote to greed is generosity. In the heart of everyone who gives their money or other property to those who need it, something incredible happens. Many people justify their unwillingness to give by saying that they don't have enough funds. I would give if I had more money. It's a very common excuse. Remember, if you don't donate when you are poor, you certainly cannot donate when you are rich. Generosity is a habit that you need to cultivate in yourself. It doesn't appear by itself when your income reaches a certain point. People who don't understand this often become even more greedy when they get rich. So start giving now and do it often. Even now, you have something to be grateful for and something to share. You have something, and you can be happy about it. People who value what they have are much richer than the greedy rich. Their pursuit of happiness and their pursuit of money are different things, because money and happiness are not the same thing. And sooner you understand this, the more chances you have of not being ruined by money. Good luck to you!